Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to check out how to plan a trip. So let's start with our video.
I welcome you all to my presentation. I'm Anvesha Kashyap. So starting with today's topic, there are various things that we should keep in mind while traveling to a new place with our family. Say we are traveling to Puri in Odisha. So the most common and important things that we should consider are as follows.
Number 1. Decide a place destination to visit with your family. Further decide the duration of your trip considering the best time to visit that place. Next, define your budget. Number 2. Next is the most important point is to book tickets for your journey via aeroplane, train, bus or other transport system. Number 3. Pick a good family resort, hotel or lodge near the places you have planned to visit during your trip. Number 4. Plan a day-wise activity list including places to visit near your chosen destination, time management, fun activities around your destination for kids, keeping in concern your fooding timetable. Number 5. After planning your trip, make a checklist of all the important things that you require for your whole journey and do maintain it throughout your trip so that you don't forget or lose your important things. Also do keep in mind about all the basic safety and health priorities.
So now we are all ready to go visit our destination. In my case, Puri. But don't forget to book your return tickets back home. So wish you all a happy journey with your family. On that note, I am signing off. Thank you.